In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change simple shapes into merge shapes in Canva. We'll take a few basic shapes, arrange them into something new, and then make them act as one clean, unified object so you can style and move them together with ease. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be an existing project or a fresh canvas. Either way, the process is the same. With your design open, head over to the Elements tab on the left. In the search field, you can type simple terms like circle, square, or rectangle, or just scroll through the basic shapes section. Click to add the shapes you want, and they'll appear on your canvas. You can resize any shape by dragging its corner handles and rotate it using the rotate handle just outside the corner. Next, position your shapes into the look you want. Overlap them or align them edge to edge to create a new silhouette. This is where a bit of patience pays off. Zoom in if you need precision, and use Canva's smart guides to help line things up. If the shapes feel hard to place, try nudging them with your arrow keys for small, controlled movements. Think of this step as sketching a custom icon or logo out of simple pieces. Once you are happy with the layout, select all the shapes at once. You can hold Shift and click each shape one by one. Or click and drag your cursor to draw a selection box around every shape you want to include. You'll know you've got them when they're all outlined. With everything selected, look for the floating toolbar near your selection and click Group. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on a Mac. Grouping tells Canva to treat these separate shapes as a single unit. Now your shapes function as one. You can drag them around without breaking the arrangement. Resize them together so nothing gets distorted, and keep your layout clean. Want to adjust the color? Click the color chip in the top toolbar and choose a new shade. Need a softer look? Open the transparency control and slide it down to taste. If you are resizing, drag from a corner for proportional scaling so your design keeps its intended proportions. That's it. Thanks for watching.